Sure, what is up? Good morning, guys. It's day 4 here in Australia, and we are still in Canberra. It is, as you can see, guys, 12 degrees. First, we're gonna go to the church, attend a mass. It's Sunday, and yeah, let's go. Sure, what's up, guys? We just finished mass, and yeah, we're now heading to grab some lunch. Lunch here in Broad Burgers over there, guys. So now we're gonna have burgers. Yeah, it's really cold. It's like 12 degrees. That's why I'm wearing this huge jacket. Hello.
Hello.
It's really cold, guys. It's no snow, but the wind is really cold. Damn. So yeah, wind chill. It's called wind chill. Whew. We just done with our lunch, guys. We just had our lunch in Coconut Thai Cuisine out of there because the burger area was full. So yeah, it was really great. Yeah, we're full. How was your lunch?
Very full. Sometimes.
Yes, it was good. It was great. It was supposed to be on that boat right over there, but super windy. It's cold. Yeah, instead of that, we just had our lunch there, and maybe go back there tomorrow. But yeah, now I'm gonna go to really freezing, guys. Oh my god, it's like 12 degrees, no? It's 12 degrees Celsius.
Like 7.
And
Like that really
it feels like 11. Yo, what's up, guys? We're now here in Direct Factory Outlet, Canberra.
As you can see, there's a skateboard.
Oh my god, this guy's good. It's Quicksilver. There's a lot of stuff here, shoes and great prices. So yeah, we're gonna find some good stuff here, guys.
Living in the same routine, like the seasons I'm on repeat. It's a long way down. Trying not to follow suit. Don't like the color, I'll change the shape.
Guys, Direct Factory Outlet is not good. It drains all your money. So this is what I got. Yes. Let me see what you got.
I get some shorts, beanie, and socks. Yeah,
Yeah, from
Cotton On.
yeah. Cotton On here, guys, is very cheap because Cotton On is Australian made. So I advise you, if you go here in Australia,